Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Toyota Highlander. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include towing package, automatic climate control, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, power sunroof, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.